Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a favicon in Gohighlevel to give your website a more professional and branded look. A favicon is a small icon that appears in a browser tab. It helps your site stand out and look more polished. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, all we need to do is click on Sites in the left part of the dashboard. Once we are here, we just need to click on the site or funnel where we want to add the favicon. For this example, let's use a sample site. Next, we click the three dots and then select Edit. Now, once we are on the editing page, we need to click on Settings. Here, we will see the favicon URL field. We can paste our favicon link here. Next, we need to open a new tab and go to a favicon website to search for the favicon we want to use. There are many options available online. Here, we just need to click on the favicon we like and copy its URL. Once we have copied the URL, we just need to paste it into the favicon field. Finally, we click Save. And that is how we add a favicon in Gohighlevel. With this small detail, our website will look more complete and recognizable.